Saturation versus vibrance. What is the difference? Let's talk about it. Alright, let's go ahead and get saturation out of the way. So, what is the problem with it? Well, most beginner photographers make this rookie mistake, and yes, I have done it myself too. I have been a victim of oversaturating my photos. So basically, whenever you're cranking up that slider, you are actually saturating the entire image. So that's every pixel, every color, you're just giving it a giant boost, and it ends up making photos look very amateurish. And on top of that, if you are editing a portrait, it also makes your subject, I'm just gonna say it, look like an Oompa Loompa. I said it. So if you don't want your subject to look like an Oompa Loompa, instead what you want to use is vibrance. So the way I like to think of vibrance is more of a smart saturation. So saturation, like I said, boosts every color in the photo. What vibrance actually does is it boosts those colors that are more muted. So basically, this is what you want to use instead of saturation. And just so you can see the impact, here is a photo with saturation at 100%. And here is the same photo with vibrance at 100%. Now I want to show you one more thing, but in order for me to show you, you're gonna have to click on this video if you want to learn how to soften skin in Lightroom.